This is a green malachite pendulum. It hangs 12 inches long. It has malachite chips and malachite beads down the chain. And it has a green glass prism at the bottom. When not in use as a pendulum, it would be lovely hanging in your window for the prism to catch light. But let's do a quick demo with this one. Show me a yes. And I get my forward to back swing, which is my affirmative yes answer. So you will find this lovely pendulum or one like it in my Etsy shop. This is Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness. Have a great day.